Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all friends, my name is Usaid Albana. I am a student of Islamic Psychology, Special Program Class Semester 1. Today, I will discuss about the hot issues in the past week. Yes, I will discuss the land mafia case. The land mafia case has become a hot issue because one of the victims is the family of a very famous artist, namely Nirina Zubir. According to the news, Nirina Zubir's family assets, in the form of land and houses, have been changed ownership without the knowledge and approval of Nirina Zubir's family. The perpetrator has been a household assistant for a long time, so she has been highly trusted by Nirina Zubir's family. The losses suffered by Nirina Zubir's family reached 17 billion. Now, the household assistant has been named a suspect and is being detained by the police. According to the police, the perpetrator's motive was to control the asset. Those assets are sold and then used by the perpetrator to build the business. Now, let's review the case from psychological theory. In this case, I use the psychoanalytic theory of Sigmund Freud. According to Sigmund Freud, humans have a psychological structure consisting of three elements, namely the id, ego, and superego. These three things are separated but still interact with each other. Sigmund Freud analogizes the three elements as a lump of ice, which is visible on the surface only a small part of all the elements. The id describes the natural needs of human. The id, the thing that underlies a person's personality. The id can be represented as a basic natural need. Example, eating, drinking, and sex. The id works by adhering to the pleasure principle. The id seeks instant gratification of human wants and needs. If these two are not met, a person can become tense, anxious, or angry. Example, the household assistant of Nirina Zubir's family wants to be successful and rich. She didn't want to fight. Then what happens? She takes assets that do not belong to her. Ego explains how to face reality. The ego deals with reality, trying to fulfill the desires of the id in a socially acceptable way. For example, by delaying gratification and helping to relieve the tension the id feels if a desire is not fulfilled immediately. The ego understands that other people also have needs and wants. Therefore, being selfish in the long run is not a good thing. Example, the household assistant of Nirina Zubir's family wants to be successful and rich. She knows to be successful and rich, she must fight patiently and diligently. Even though she has the desire to control the property of the family of Nirina Zubir. The superego describes the socially accepted moral aspect. Superego is a moral aspect of a personality that is obtained from parental care or norms and values in society and is based on morals and judgment about right and wrong. Although the superego and ego can reach the same decision about something, the superego's reason for making decisions are based more on moral values, whereas ego decisions are based more on what other people think. Example, the household assistant of Nirina Zubir's family wants to be successful and rich. He has the opportunity to be successful and rich quickly by taking assets belonging to the family of Nirna Zubir without anyone knowing. But the household assistant knew it was wrong and criminal, so she decided not to act criminally despite the opportunity. All friends, the id, ego, and superego work together in creating patterns of human behavior. The id gives demand to natural needs, the ego limits it to reality, and the superego adds moral values to every action taken. Like an iceberg, the ego and some of the superego are elements of the psychological structure that we are aware of, like an iceberg that is only visible on the surface. Meanwhile, below the surface of the sea, there is a lump of ice that is not visible, such as the id, a natural human instinct that appears without us realizing it. When the ego is unable to balance the demand of the id with reality and moral values, anxiety will occur. The land mafia case can occur because the perpetrator, who is household assistant, cannot control the three elements above. When she can control, then the crime will be avoided. Therefore, we should be able to balance the three psychological elements in ourselves so that we are mentally awake. Don't just highlight one and forget the others because it's actually dangerous. Thank you everyone.